series of links
Yeah,
linking
yeah,
one page
Uh-huh.
to the next.
Like eight tags.
yeah,
Is it eight tags? Yeah.
Mhm.
It's been a
yeah.
while. I haven't written any HTML CSS, but yeah, let's
Do
do
you
this.
feel comfortable writing the HTML CSS?
Yeah, yeah, but it's just been a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't worked with like starting a repo with a bunch of collaborators.
Hmm.
So I don't know. I guess we can make sure we're on the same page so we don't have any difficulties merging it.
Mhm.
So if you guys have any problems accessing the repo, let me know.
I
Okay.
think we would, as far as GitHub goes, I think we would just want to make sure that we're not necessarily all pushing to master, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
I mean, what I did, I just created like a little branch. I created a branch.
there's like four branches.
Yeah, these are all my test branches so far.
Uh-huh. I
I
Mhm.
have
don't know.
no idea how to do this. Like I never collaborated with someone before.
Oh,
So
really?
do I have to fork this or what? No?
There's different ways to do it. How I would do it, I usually just git clone it, and then once I have
Okay.
a clone of it, I create a new branch,
Create a
Yeah.
and
new branch.
then
Okay.
yeah, let me see if I can.
Yeah,
So here, I'll just do a test. Let's see.
every time you work on a new feature, a fix,
Uh-huh.
or a bug,
Uh-huh.
create a new branch for that work.
Yeah,
Before
And then
merging it back.
once you're done, once you're like finished with that feature, that fix or that bug, then
Mm-hmm.
you do a merge request, or I think on GitHub might call it a pull request
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
to merge it back into master.
yeah. Very important to make sure you pull any changes that the repo has had. Let's see. So git branch. I think this is the main. So if I wanted to say you did a git clone, right,
Mm-hmm.
and then you wanted to work on your changes, you could just do which so create one. You just do git checkout, and then we'll
Mhm.
say
Check
run
out. Mm-hmm.
test. And then if you do your branch, you can see that I'm on your branch now.
Mm-hmm.
Um, well,
I want to learn this before I start my new job. Oh my God. Good thing I have like few more weeks.
yeah, no, this is perfect. This is a perfect project where you
Yeah.
could just do
Yeah.
something small.
I just
So,
accepted a new role. Like I just landed my first role.
Hey, congratulations.
yeah,
Yeah.
It was
congrats.
hard. It was really hard though. Like the whole July, I've been like interviewing back to back.
Where
Yeah.
will it be and what's the role?
It's a full stack. I'll put it in LinkedIn, but it's a full stack software engineer.
Who's that? Who is it? Marlon?
Marlon.
Yeah.
How do you say it?
MARLON.
M MOR?
MA.
MARLON. Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. Thanks. All right.
Mine.
So just add that. So you add your changes, right? And then if you do
Mhm.
status, you'll see that hey, you've changed those. So I usually do. If you see that, it should be good. Want to commit them. Of how it's working, and then they just fucking whip you into a new stack.
Mm.
Mm.
But it was good. I mean, I enjoyed it because it added structure to learning.
Oh, gracious. Hey, I got two different headphones. This has been wild. Yeah, wait for Quinn because we ended up catching with Ian on the other platform, the what's the thing called Google Meet. So
Yeah.
he's still
Okay.
safe and moving along. And I just hit up Quinn to see okay what room we were in yesterday.
We were in this one right here.
Okay,
right where I'm
okay.
pointing my laser pointer, and then the other
Okay,
team is
cool.
working right next to you. If you guys can always drop in and say what's up as well.
Okay. Yeah, I was in
Yeah.
here earlier and I was like, what? Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Cool.
So
Awesome.
I'll hit Quinn up to let him know I'm in the room.
Perfect.
And thank you, Jamil.
Of course. Thank you. All right.
And Chris were both working on the README, and you guys both opened up pull requests at the same time, it could create a conflict. So that's why it's important to make sure you resolve those, and then you can just merge it. And it should be good. So if we go back to the README, it should have us there, see?
Sweet.
And then you're back in the main.
Okay. Branches. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, does that kind of make sense?
Yeah, we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out.
Yeah, and then very important. So the GitHub is up to date. You need to make sure that your local copy is up to date. So you got to pull those changes to your computer. And then where does it get pull?
Origin. Yep.
And then now my copy is up to date with the repo now.
How did you make sure it was up to date?
I mean, this is kind of, I knew since I pushed up changes, your local copy doesn't update when you push those changes to GitHub. So you make the changes on your local copy, you send those changes to GitHub, your GitHub repo updates with the actual changes, and then now you got to pull those back to your working computer, if that makes sense.
What's the command to pull them back?
I just do git fetch origin and then git pull.
Git fetch. Okay.
Yeah, let me I'll write it.
So I'm guessing I'm gonna use VS Code, not VS.
Do you have VS Code?
Yeah. I mean, if I work, I don't know why, but I feel more comfortable working VS Code when it's the front. It's JavaScript, HTML, CSS. But with like C#, C++, I always use VS.
Yeah, that's how we kind of learned it too.
Okay, okay.
So I mean, that's how I do it. No one's called me out yet, and I haven't broke the app yet. So,
But the first thing I need to do is like clone that, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if I still know. I have like a Git terminal here.
I gotta bounce in a couple minutes. Let's see.
So I'm thinking maybe Veronica, you said you want to work on that specific page, and then so like maybe I could work on like the landing page where it has those different options, the training and that. I can like put up some cards for each individual thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Chris? Do you want something you want to work on?
Yeah, what's left? What hasn't been claimed yet?
Just the individual like links, like so I think Veronica took training, and so I'm doing like the main page, and then college is still open, the college page, and then what's the other one?
Certification.
Oh, certifications, yeah.
Okay.